Welcome to Search, an instant way to find Bartercard members near you. Search is like Google Maps, but for Bartercard. It's a map-based tool that lets members find each other quickly and conveniently, wherever they are. Search looks and feels just like the search engines you use every day, letting you find members faster across every device. To get started, go to search.bartercard.co.nz. Log into Search with your MYBC username and password. When you log in, you will be asked to allow Search to know your current location. If you click Allow, the pin will show your current location. If you click Block, the pin will show the address associated with your card. This also appears when the location received is not accurate enough. The globe icon appears on the pin when you set a search location to a specific place. You can do this by using a place name in a search. When you first open Search, you will see the members in your local area. When you hover over a marker, the member's name shows up, and the member's details are highlighted over here. The same thing happens if you hover over a member's details. If you click on a map marker or member detail, you can see more information. Here, you can see more information about a member, including the services they offer and their contact details. To get back to all results, click here. The colours show the level of contact for each merchant. Green pin means that it's an open listing and you can contact the member directly. A member who does not work from a physical address and covers the entire suburb, such as a mobile mechanic, will have a marker with circles in the base, in the middle of their suburb. Orange pin means it's a contact broker listing. You must contact Bartercard to discuss the services available from the member. When you search for restaurants or cafes, you may be shown open listings or limited availability listings. Limited availability listings show the days and times of day they will accept Bartercard. Outlets can be rated by cardholders using Search. Only one rating from each cardholder counts for an outlet. If the member re-rates an outlet, the old rating is removed. Members cannot rate their own outlets. The rating range is based on a 5-star scale. The current rating for an outlet is shown using green stars. To rate an outlet, the member clicks on the rating stars and is given the opportunity to provide feedback. When you hover over the bar graph, you will see how many members gave that star rating. The number next to the stars shows the total number of ratings received. Moving on to the search bar. It works just like a normal search engine. You can search for specific services, or you can choose from a number of categories, keywords, and industries. As you type, a number of suggestions will show up. Selecting one of these will display options here. If you type a place name, you will be shown member options within that area. This is really handy when you are planning to trade with members during an out-of-town trip. If at any time you get stuck, you can always bring up the tutorial by clicking the question mark. Choose from the 4 guides and you will be taken through the step-by-step tutorial. Thank you for watching. Click here to view our other tutorials.